Worries about persistent high inflation in Britain grew on Wednesday, as key measures of price growth watched by the central bank failed to ease in July. Markets were concerned despite a sharp drop in the headline inflation rate. Officials said annual consumer price inflation cooled to 6.8%, down from just under 8% in June. Wednesday's data was expected by analysts and the Bank of England. Falling energy costs drove the fall in inflation, and food prices also eased. However, Britain still has one of the highest rates of price growth in Western Europe. While it moves Britain further from October's 41-year high of 11.1%, it's still far above the central bank's 2% target. There was pressure in core and services prices that the Bank of England is watching closely. Core inflation is important as it removes volatile food and energy prices. It stayed at 6.9% in July and was unchanged from June. Services inflation mostly reflects homegrown inflation pressure from wages, and that slightly rose to 7.4%. Sterling went up slightly against the US dollar after the figures were released, and it reinforced market bets the UK central bank will keep hiking interest rates. The strength in core inflation is bad news for Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. He has promised to halve inflation by the end of the year. That goal is now in question.